How to share the link of your Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can share the link of your Instagram account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So just open up Instagram. Now let's say you want to share the link of other people. You can just go to their profile. Then use this type of interface where you can tap the three lines icon from the top right of the screen. Then you can just go to the option called share this profile or copy the profile URL. You can choose to copy them, or you can also simply share the profile and then choose to send it to any other friends. Now let's say you're talking about your own profile, then you want to just come to your own profile page over here by tapping the profile icon. Then you want to simply tap the option called share profile, which you see right next to edit profile. So just tap the share profile button. Now you can choose to send this QR code to any of your friends, or you can simply choose to share the profile link directly, or what you can do is copy the URL here, or you can also simply choose the option called copy link, which is over here. Tap the option called copy link, and then you should be able to go ahead and then send them to your friends. When they tap the link, they'll be taken to your profile page. This is it on how you can share your account link on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.